Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both earbuds and your phone. Charge the case and earbuds until they show sufficient power. Once done, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on and forget other nearby devices to avoid conflicts. Open the case to power the earbuds. Most Bose models auto-enter pairing. If not, press and hold the case or earbud button until the LED blinks. This gets you in a pairing state quickly, so you can move to connection without wasting time. You now pair and configure the earbuds. Tap the Bose entry in your phone's Bluetooth list and accept any pairing prompts. The connection usually appears as connected. Next, install the Bose app to check firmware and enable features like noise control and voice prompts. While in app, adjust the fit using supplied tips. Good Seal improves bass and ANC. Also test left/right audio and familiarize yourself with swipe or tap controls so you can control playback and calls confidently. You finish by verifying everything. Play music and make a call to confirm sound, mic pickup, and stereo balance. Once satisfied, use the Bose app to choose noise cancellation or aware listening and customize touch controls for single or double taps. If you encounter issues, try placing earbuds back in the case for 10 seconds, restart your phone, and repair. If pairing still fails, perform a full reset per your model instructions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.